Hi, my name is Amy, and today we are going to be talking about one of the most powerful opportunities of our lifetime, which is digital marketing. If you've ever seen an ad pop up on your phone or watched a YouTube video tutorial and then gone and bought something afterwards, or clicked on a Facebook post that took you to an online store, well, guess what? You've experienced digital marketing in action. By the end of this video, you should know what digital marketing is, why it works, and why starting now might be the smartest move you can make. And don't worry, I'm going to keep it simple, beginner friendly. So I first found digital marketing when I was looking online, trying to find ways to pay off debt and prepare for retirement. Digital marketing is something that's done online. Instead of maybe handing out flyers or getting flyers in the mail or putting ads in the newspaper, you're using tools like social media marketing, which is building relationships and brand awareness on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And then there's email marketing, which is sending valuable information, updates, or offers directly to someone's inbox. And content marketing, which is creating videos, blogs, or podcasts that educate or entertain your audience so that they trust you and want to learn more. And then there's SEO, which is search engine optimization, making sure your website shows up when people search for the product or services you offer. So think of it like this. In the past, a bakery might put a sign in the window trying to get people's attention, versus today where they can do a video of them decorating a cake or maybe some cookies that they have and put pictures or videos of that on Instagram or Facebook. And then before they leave home, they may already have customers. So why is digital marketing such a game changer? Well, it reaches thousands and thousands of people. It can go, instead of being in your town, it can reach all the way across the world. And you don't even have to leave your home. Targeting is another way. And that's where you target the people that are interested in your product. Then there's automation. So automation, that is when your marketing works for you while you're sleeping, while you're on vacation, or just while you're doing your daily activity and spending time with family. And then there's data. Data you can look at in real time to know what's working, what's not working, and you don't have to spend a lot of time or money trying to figure it out. For example, take this small hometown soap company. They might have just relied on craft fairs in the past, whereas they can record a short video on TikTok, and then you can show how you make it. You can link to their online shop, and within a few months, they're shipping nationwide. It's the same product, the same owners. The only difference is they're using digital marketing to sell their product. This is great for small businesses and individuals who have great products and in the past wouldn't have been able to get it much further than their hometown. Now they can get it and ship it all around the world. Here's the thing. It's time to join digital marketing because we are in a time where more people shop online than ever before. Social media is a part of everyday life, and the tools for creating content are free or very inexpensive. So if you're thinking, well, I'm not techie, well, I'm in my 50s, and I know people in their 60s and 70s who have a thriving business, and they were just like us, not techie. If you can send a text or put a picture on Facebook, then you have the foundation of what you need to do to start. Like I said in the beginning, I was like, I can't do this because I'm not tech savvy. But in the community that I'm in, they have a step-by-step product where they tell you exactly what to do. So if you just follow along and do what they tell you to do, then you won't have any problems. But if you do have questions, then there are people in the community that can help you out with that. They try to make it as easy as they can. Digital marketing isn't just about selling things, it's about freedom. It can mean extra income for debt, it's replacing a job so you can work at home, and it's building something that gives you flexibility in your schedule so you can work when you want to work. Now, I'll be real with you. It does take time and effort, but you learn as you go. And you will make mistakes, but the skills that you learn for your business will be with you forever. And you can use it in any type of business, any niche, and anywhere around the world. And here's the best part. You can still keep working your job or keep doing your responsibilities that you have now. You don't have to flip your life upside down. I still work full time and have managed to get my business up and running, and I've learned so much. I'm working to pay off debt, so I have a peace about retiring and can have a financial freedom. I want to do that for me, but I also want to help others learn how to do it for themselves. So now that you know what digital marketing is, why it's powerful, and why it's important to start now, in my next video, I will walk you through the exact beginner's roadmap so you know step by step what to do first. If you got value from this video, then please like it, subscribe it, and share it to someone who may need to know about digital marketing. Also, if you're interested, go down to the description below and click the link, and that will take you to the free blueprint that I use to get started on my digital marketing process. Tell me in the comments what's the one thing that you might want to learn next. Remember, the best way to predict your future is to start building it today.